Hi, this is Don at Cowboy Biker Adventures coming to you today from Miami Everglades. Yes, it's an Encore 1000 Trails Park. It has been many parks over the years. It's originally from the 60s and it was a KOA in the beginning. I'm going to give you a riding 360-degree tour. By the way, it is surrounded by nurseries all around here. They're growing things. Matter of fact, originally it was an avocado and mango field. So pretty interesting, pretty nice. This is the entrance, of course, and we have our some they call cabins over here on the right, and these are others are called lodges, and then there's some deluxe lodges. Over on the left is tent camping, and this park has somewhere around 230 RV sites in it. But this is the middle of May, so they're getting ready for the summer season. Over here on this building they don't utilize, at least not to the RVers on the right. But over here on the left is the dry storage. That's where they made me park my trailer for the 2 week. I'm here 2 weeks. I think it's $120 something. They gave me the month rate. Over here under this big tree on the left, picnic area, and they got an interesting thing here. No welcomes people. Straight ahead, that green building is a rec center, and you can see the big deck where they have cookouts and stuff. This is where RVs pull to go in to check in. This, you can tell it was an old KOA. That's the office, and there is a small little store in there. And well, this is kind of interesting. Let me go down this way first, past the cabins. And I don't know what this tree is. If you know, please make comments below. I don't know. I asked in the office and they didn't know. But it's very unique, and there's several of them out here. Well, that was electrical cord running across the road. Okay, don't know what that's about. But, wow, I went down. I didn't mean to go down this way. I went down the one I didn't want to go down. This is a dead end to these cabins. That's okay. This way you get the full effect of this park. And that is an interesting tree, though. I sure wish somebody shared with me what that is. I'm going to try to look it up later. But this 360 video, which you can obviously look around, up and down, I can't really edit. So it is what it is. There we go, got one tree standing above all the others. That's interesting. I'm fixing to do a drone footage of this RV park after I get done here. But you can see the cabins. I think these are the deluxe cabins we're seeing over here. And there's the entrance back out there. Of course, you can't get to it from here. See these trees? They're just interesting to me. So they have out here 30, like these are 30 full hookups. What you were seeing over here, I'm in the 50 full hookup area, which we'll get to. But you're going to see more of those trees. And I have no idea what an avocado tree looks like, but I don't think that's it. You can see that massive one over there coming up on it. It looks like it's made up of 50, you know? They all work together. So I don't know what to think. But there are several of them. They do have lizards in here with an orange head. You only can get a brief look at them. They don't stick around long. They're pretty good size. I'd say about a foot so long. And now we're getting to just the RV part. By the way, I did go by the restroom and showers down there. I forgot to point that out, that yellow building. There's 3 total in this park. Now we're going to go down here, and these are called super sites. I was told a while ago by the office help that that is for the big RVs. So the ones to the right is super sites. Now the rest of these are all these are 50 amp full hookups. Now, this is the main road we're coming up on that I keep turning off of. That kind of divides it. That road runs north and south. We're heading east right now. All these work off of this. We're coming up on my RV without my trailer here on the left. I'm not in a super site though, but I do have a sea grape tree. And I was working on my AC up there yesterday on the rear AC with a friend of mine, and we took the cover off and there was tree frog in my AC. That was not the issue though. But anyhow, so these are all 50 amps here. And like I said, there's roughly 230 RV sites, and it's like you can see, if you look to the left, you can see the nursery. This is southwest. Miami is still considered Miami, but I found everything from here further west till you get to the Everglades is all nurseries, and they grow a lot of palm trees. Oh, there's a couple more of those tall trees. Here's the restroom and showers. There's 3 of them. That's 2. And anyhow, I'm going to end this eventually over where the office area is. There's so much over there I want to show you. I'm going to get off the bike and show you. But we're heading north right now. And this is where the dumpster's located. Also the laundry's in there, and the maintenance department. There's so much to show, tennis and pickleball, but that's set up for pickleball, it looks like. But this is a Friday, and by the way, you can get packages here free, which I think is excellent. It is $20 a day, Encore Park, which, you know, free packages and all to me, that's a bargain. You can see over here on the right, there's also a play field, but over on the right is what they call group tent camping. So they have groups come out here. That's the dry storage you're looking at over there. And there's one of those orange-headed lizards underneath the tiki hut. It's kind of hidden from that. I don't know if you can see him or not. He's not a very big one. But as you can see, there is a whole bunch of stuff. Playground, fire pit. They have two different sets of shuffleboards. Like I said, this is pickleball court and basketball and swimming pool. And swimming pool is round. It's kind of unique. So I'm going to go over here and show you this area. So bear with me. As I unscrew my camera, and that's maintenance area there. But let's go over here. Like I said, you can see they have multiple shuffleboard courts, and then they have some more over here, and I don't know what the difference would be. But the pool is closed for 2 weeks. They had a bad storm 3 weeks ago, and it apparently fried the motor to the pump, so they're trying to wait for parts to get that fixed. But you can see they got some horseshoes, nice lawn here. Here is the fire pit area. Of course, the playground's over there. They even have picnic area there. And this probably gives us the best view of the pool since it's closed. But I think it's a pretty place. You can see that it's kind of, you can see the remnants that it used to be a KOA. But I won't hold that against them. Another one of these sea grape trees. But yeah, that's the pool, and it's locked, so I can't go in there. But this is neat. Look at this covered walkway to the pool from the back of the office in the store. By the way, over here to the left is the open. Oh, there's one of those. There's one of those lizards. See them? That one's more yellow. They're all over. And here's this open air laundry. I actually did laundry the other day. You do have to use the app and put money on it. But there is, I want to say 12 washing machines and 14 dryers. And over here, oh, there he goes under the AC unit. Have beach volleyball, and this is the rec area. They got pool tables. You can see an area here to relax. I can see they probably even have a band up there at times. But barbecue area. There goes another one, but they're not colored. And I'm going the wrong way, so let's go this way. Because they do have miniature golf. You can kind of see in there, see the pool tables. And miniature golf looks like a pretty nice course. And there's the rules.